Welcome to Unisellergy. Let's walk through how to connect the Shiprocket Courier service to your Unisellergy account. Step 1. Open the Shiprocket integration. First, log into your Unisellergy account. Go to the Channels page. Scroll down to the Shipments section. Locate Shiprocket and click on Connect. A pop-up titled Connect Shiprocket Courier will appear. This pop-up will guide you through the complete integration process. You'll also find a helpful YouTube video inside the pop-up explaining how to generate Shiprocket API credentials. Step 2. Log into Shiprocket. Inside the pop-up, click on the Shiprocket login URL. You'll be redirected to the Shiprocket login page. Enter your registered email ID and password. Complete the two-factor authentication by entering the OTP sent to your registered email or mobile number. Once verification is successful, you'll be redirected to the Shiprocket dashboard. Step 3. Generate API credentials in Shiprocket. From the Shiprocket dashboard, open the left-hand sidebar. Click on Settings. Scroll down to Additional Settings. Click on API Users. On the API Users page, click Add New User. Now fill in the required details. Enter an email ID. Important: this email must be different from your Shiprocket login email. Select the required API modules based on your business needs. Optionally, add allowed IP addresses if applicable. Click Create User. Shiprocket will now generate API email ID, API password. Please copy and save these credentials securely. You will need them to complete the integration in Unisellergy. Step 4. Complete integration in Unisellergy. Now, return to the Unisellergy platform. In the Connect Shiprocket Courier pop-up, click Next. You'll see the Add Courier for Integration screen. Enter API email ID, API password. Then click Add Courier. Once the credentials are validated successfully, Shiprocket will be added to your account. You'll be redirected to the Couriers page. Shiprocket will appear with an active status. Your Shiprocket Courier integration is now complete. You can now manage shipments, pickups, tracking, returns directly from the Unisellergy platform. How to edit Shiprocket credentials if required. If you ever need to update your Shiprocket credentials, go to the Channels page. Scroll to the Shipments section. Locate Shiprocket and click Edit. The Edit Shiprocket Credentials pop-up will appear. Update the API email ID or API password. Save the changes. Thank you for choosing Unisellergy. Manage your shipping operations effortlessly, all from one powerful platform.